4. Legs up the wall Viparita Karani. This is one of the ultimate yoga feels so good restorative yoga poses, super easy, no flexibility required, and incredibly relaxing. It's like hitting the reset button on your body after a long day. You just lie down, put your legs up, and let gravity do the work. Perfect for beginners or anyone needing chill. Why it feels so good. Deep relaxation. Calms your nervous system, reduces stress and anxiety, and can help with insomnia. Better circulation. Helps drain fluid from tired. Swollen legs great if you've been standing or sitting all day. Relieves tension. Gently stretches the hamstrings, lower back, and neck without any effort. Other perks: eases headaches, mild back pain, and even supports digestion. Hold it for 5 to 20 minutes. Start short if you're new to it and just breathe deeply. It's basically a free massage from gravity. How to do it: super simple steps. Sit sideways against a wall with your hip touching it or close. Lie back onto the floor and swing your legs up the wall but should be as close to the wall as feels comfy. A few inches away is fine if hamstrings are tight. Let your arms rest out to the sides or on your belly, palms up. Relax your legs, they can be straight or slightly bent. Close your eyes and breathe. To come out, bend your knees, roll to one side, and slowly sit up. Tips for extra comfort: fold a blanket under your head or hips for support. If your legs tingle, scoot a bit farther from the wall. Caution: skip or check with a doctor if you have glaucoma, high blood pressure, or neck issues. This pose is a game changer for feeling restored. Try it tonight before bed. If you're loving these easy, feel-good poses, what's your favorite so far?